guess there's some of these the goats right here. Not too bad. Ready to go. Alright, time to load them up. That's right, another crank and run. We're on the road. You know it's running. South Georgia run. Crank and run, Stunto Fox. Let's go. Finally got it back in. Yeah, not too bad. Could use the seat. Nice little fairings, wheel alignment. See the handlebars. Good little clean down, clean the chain up. It's a nice little one right here. So first thing first, let's straighten the handlebars out. No bad juju. So we know we need a wheel alignment. Car need to be serviced. New battery. Wheel alignment. We're gonna try to jump start it off. We tried it, they didn't get it. Let's push start. Time to get the bad juju off of it. Know how we gonna do it. Get him in, get him out. What we talking about, huh? So we're back to this one, getting it going. We see it being broken. Some bad wheels. We can't have that. So yeah, we're gonna sand it down, re-weld it on there, get this one up and going. It'll be for sale next. Got it all welded and secured. Now time to grind it down and repaint it. That thing's looking nice and good. Time to get it going. Now we got that fixed. Time to zip tie the plastics, you know, little Frankenstein. Let's go. Time to button that thing up. Like surgery, let's go. If we get about the front, got that all buttoned up. Let's go. Got that thing all buttoned up like a suit and tie.